Preparing the wood for engraving is the same as protecting or finishing the item. So here I'm using mineral oil, as usually in America they use it for cutting boards. Why I'm finishing before the engraving? Because the numbers and everything else that will be engraved will be much darker than if we won't use the finish oil. If you wanna see the difference between finishing and engraving and not finishing then engrave, please comment down below and we can manage to do that. As you see right now, we are in the end. The gift that I will be giving